I'm Diane.
Hi, I'm Katie.
And we're part of the
Step Sisters team
here at the corporate office in Quincy, Mass. But it's tough to get steps in while sitting behind a desk most of the day.
So we've teamed up to walk around the office park after work.
The basic loop is just under 1 mile.
We do 2 loops a day, approximately 3,600 steps.
We can do it.
You can do it. So step up to the challenge.
We got Bill Mailer walking around the pond on his break time, trying to get his steps in for the day. He's on the Furfinators. This is our pond. It's probably a couple laps around the pond's a mile. Pretty big pond. Walking back from his car, trying to get his mileage in for the day.
You want to throw your entire shoulder into it, and you do that by stepping into it. So when you do it,
oh, nice.
hook it around. There you go. That's exactly how you want to do it.
Green flag, ready, set, go.
I won. I'm here first.
Good afternoon. My name is Andy Salazar, and I'm the representative for the Desert Rats team in Tolleson, Arizona. We're here to call out the Walking Dead. They're way behind. They're dead. No chance. Flowerbuds, you're worse than the Walking Dead. Forget about it. The only one I'm worried about, maybe, is the Walking Bread. Maybe because they're chasing bread around, that's why they're keeping up with us. But don't worry about that. We roll in 110-degree weather, and that's how we do it in Arizona. Thank you.